Hello, in this quick video I will share how you can get overview on your duplicate records in Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Basically, if you are like some of these customers, you probably have a lot of duplicate challenges in Microsoft CRM. The built-in functionality is great as long as you don't have many records. But once you have more than 3,000 or 5,000 records, then you will experience the limitations and the challenges. Thus, we have an app called Duplicate Detection, which can be found on Microsoft App Store, or you can get a trial on our website, which is duplicatedetection.com. And all you have to do is go to the trial, fill in the form. It's basically will allow you to download a solution. And that solution you basically need to import it to your CRM, publish it, and then you can define your duplicate rules. The trial version, it's full functionality, and one of the great things about it is that it helps you to get overview on, let's assume, how many contacts do you have in your CRM. So let me quickly show you how you can achieve this. What we have to do is basically simple 5 steps. Small activities. The first thing is downloading the solution from our website or web source. You import the solution and publish. Then, to make sure that users don't get error, you assign all users the security roles. You need to assign minimum 1 role. You define your bespoke rules toward any entity, system, custom, etc. And then you can run the rule to detect duplicates in that corresponding table, in this case contacts. As I mentioned, it's a full trial, and the way it works, once you go to your CRM and have imported the solution here under settings and solutions, you import it and you publish it, you will be able to find it under extensions, duplicate rules. In this case, I already have defined 1 rule, which is monitoring the contact entity. And the way it works is that you define which entity is the source and target, in this case both contacts. And once you save it, you will be able to further define which fields you want to monitor. So in this case, I have created 1 field, which I'm saying that we're monitoring the contact table, and if a contact is created with exact same email, then that will be perceived as a duplicate. And once you do that basically and save it, the rule will run actively in the background, and it will allow you to run toward your existing database. So in this case, when I click on the rule here, I have my button here on the ribbon. I say bulk detection, and you can see now at the moment it has found 15 records, and out of the 15 there are a lot of duplicates. A quick and easy way to get overview on how many duplicates do you have. And from here, what I can also do is that I can say show all duplicates, and get more overview on how data is related, which record is duplicated, and all that. And once I have done that, I have the option here in the ribbon to say merge duplicates. And the merge window, it's on the right side here. I can choose which fields attributes to choose to carry, to populate it to the master. I can choose all, or I can select and pick and choose whatever I like. And we have to in order to make it easy, we have some built-in capability where you define your master. In this case, I can say that the merge order is, in other words, the master record is the record that is created first, or I can say that the record that contains most activities or most populated fields, etc. A lot of really nice way to deal with a complex subject as duplicate data. In this scenario, I'm just choosing the first option. Not only I can decide if I want to move all fields, but I can also decide if I want to move to merge related data to my master. In this scenario, I'm also including all my related data, and yeah, with few clicks you can see how I am able to quickly clean up my database. And here I can see a quick overview on what it's doing exactly, which record is merging with which record. And once it's finished, I will also be able to get a quickly overview on, the result window. And in this scenario, now it's completed. So if I close this window and go to my process here, here, close this window, back to my rule here, there we go. And under my DD bulk operations, I will be able to see my latest rule, which I ran not so long time ago. And here I can see that which record is active, which record is inactive, etc., etc. So very simple and quick way how you can create, define your duplicate detection rules and run it over your existing data table, in this case contacts, and merge it in a simple way. And the last thing I also want to take the opportunity to show you is that you also have the option to prevent users creating new duplicates. Basically on the duplicate detection rule, the only thing you need to do is to change set the parameter to no, where it says allow duplicates. And that basically means that if I go here to my contact records and I try to create a record with the same email, you will see that in a minute you can see that I'm not able to save this record, as already 3 records exist in my CRM database. So in this way, not that only you can clean your existing data, but you can also have a better data governance as you can prevent users to create new duplicates. I hope you found this 7.5 minutes video as a good inspiration. And as I mentioned, you can find the app on our website, duplicatedetection.com, and go and try it yourself. You can also, under the events, have a more overview by viewing a recording or registering to a webinar. Thank you very much.